Did you know that we made this snazzy little dino from just these two shapes? Let's kick off with an easy shape. So easy, even a dino could draw one with his tiny, cute little arms. Then another simple shape jumps into the mix. A few strokes later, our dino's rocking those legs like a pro on the catwalk. You might not see it now, but brace yourself, you will. And voila! Behold, the eye has appeared, ready to wink and make you think. Can you hear our cute little dinosaur roar in the making? Give it a try with your best dino roar impression below. In the comments, don't be shy. Watch out for these fierce teeth. They're so sharp they could turn your salad into a dino snack in seconds. Better hurry up and eat your veggies fast. I have to admit, your style is dynamite. Those scales are seriously on point, and so fierce, even other dinosaurs are jealous. And tell me, got any wild and wacky ideas for some of our next drawing videos? We're all ears and pencils. We're laying the groundwork with pencils now. But once we break out the markers, it's like our artwork is leveling up to boss mode. I know we're having fun right now, but hey, let's not forget those final details and finishing touches. That will turn this cute little dinosaur into a legend. Let's unleash the adorable beast. All that's left to do now is give those eyes the perfect sparkle, and make this dino look as cool as a cucumber in a polar bear's fridge. Okay, we're all set for some marker magic, and for the inktastic transformation. Let's give this drawing the bold outline it deserves, like adding the final roar to our dino. This eye turned out so good. Am I right? I'm just waiting for it to wink at me and give me a high five. I think we and this cool fella could be friends. I'm just assuming based on that smile that could charm the spikes off a Stegosaurus. Are you still hanging in there? I knew you would be. And hey, if you stumble a bit along the way, don't sweat it. That's what makes us better and where we learn the most. I've got an idea. What if you call your friends to join us sometimes? Just imagine the idea explosion when we team up to create something awesome together. Once again, you've hit the mark and did an awesome job. Check out this dino. Those details are making it a roaring success. And that would be it. Now, I'm relying on your coloring expertise to bring our sweet dino to life. Here's my version if you want to peek. I hope that you like what we are doing here, and you know you can find more at scribblepeeps.com. Bye.